Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 Honda Fit LX in gray. It has black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch, a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and it's a front wheel drive. It also has a reverse camera. And it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, locks, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. You have your Econ button here, your sensors, lane keeping, traction control. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of it, you have your dash controls, source with volume, hands-free dialing, cruise control, and there's your settings for the cruise just below. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading as well. You have the menu that you can toggle through for different options, and reminding you, of course, to put on your seatbelt. In the center is your display screen. It's a touch screen, and we can go home for the menu. You can go into audio and your sources, AM, FM. As well, you have Bluetooth compatibility, and then you can go back into the different sources and settings just by touching the home button or whatever setting that you want, and you have Honda Link as well. And then you have your fan and your heating climate controls down below, as well as your AC, heated side view mirrors, as well as rear defrost. And then down below you have a USB, there's bins and a couple of cup holders, automatic shifter, emergency parking brakes right beside you, and you have your heated seats for both driver and passenger, little armrest here, and that's got some room in it to put items as well. And you also have a 12 volt in there. Up above you have a manually dimming rear view mirror, there's your lighting controls, and there's a grab handle making it easier to get in. 15-inch wheels, mud flaps, body colored door handle and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap. In the back there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just below the Honda badge to the left is your backup camera, so when you put the vehicle in reverse you're going to see that view in your center console. And then when we're ready to open up the hatch, we simply put our hand underneath the logo, and there we go. Nice and roomy. You've got a little tonneau cover that keeps everything out of sight. And then when you're ready to close it all up, there's a handle to the right. Put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You've got the little clip right behind the seat. Just pull it up, and it'll bring the seat right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. You have that tonneau cover, and there's anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then just push it back into the upright position. And you'll notice for that center seat you have the seat belt that comes from the ceiling, and so that just keeps it out of the way when the seats are down and you have cargo. There's carpeted mats on the floor, slim pocket on the back of the front seat. Up above you have your dome lighting, as well as hooks and handles. Tinted glass in the windows, adjustable side view mirrors that are heated, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.